My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below. But this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you. And now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
The auto pay, I'm going to share my screen. I don't know if I'm looking in the wrong area because I had no issues invoicing for like just the one-time payment. But what was the best way to do the auto pay?
So they're going to be paying and like starting the subscription today. Is that right?
So the monthly, I'm having it start 30 days after the live. So I guess 30 days from today.
Okay, perfect. What I would do is I would just create a product. So if you go to your products tab, let's see if we've got one here already. All good. Let's just create one real fast. Wait, is this Bridal Biz Beauty is the client?
Yeah.
Let's go into your sub account. Sorry, my bad. You'll want
Oh,
to charge
oh yeah,
them
yeah, 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 yeah,
from
yeah.
yours.
Duh. Okay, hold on one second.
Glad we caught that. So same thing though. You'll just be here now and then create that product. So just call it whatever that package is called. Um, yeah, whatever you want to say there.
I don't know. Let's put that down.
Cool. And then scroll down. You don't have to do the description. You can skip all this stuff, blah, blah, blah. And then we'll get down to the prices right here. So you're going to change the one time to a monthly recurring, and then, yeah, whatever monthly there. And then number trial period, you'll want to do 30 days. So that means it'll take her card today, but it won't charge her for 30 days. And then number of payments, whatever. Are you charging her any setup fee today, or was that already taken care of before?
Yeah, I'm gonna charge her a set the rest of the setup fee, the second half.
Okay, so in the setup fee box there, just whatever that second half is right there, that will charge today, even though there's a 30-day trial on this. That'll be a 30-day trial of the monthly part. The setup will be charged today. Is that how you want to do it? Charge the setup today, monthly, 30 days out, and then going forward?
Yeah, I can do that. I know when I first did the first half, I gave her a week to pay me. Um,
I mean,
so
she can wait to pay. Like if on that call today she's like not quite ready yet. She sounds like you've been working with her for a little bit, so I don't think she's gonna ghost you and not pay you at this point. But like she needs to wait till tomorrow to like pay it. We're gonna create a link that she can just kind of keep saved and pay it over the next couple days whenever she's ready. But I mean,
okay.
sounds like you've already closed her, so I think she should be fine paying today.
Okay. So maybe I'll just put it there anyways.
Perfect. All right. And then that's it. Let's save it and then let's create a payment link. So just click the back arrow at the very top there and then go to the payment links tab.
Oops. Move this.
And then now we can create a link that we can send to her that has this product attached to it. So at the top left, you'll just click that little drop down over there and select that product that we just made.
Oh yeah, see, I tried to make one yesterday too. I think I was looking for like an auto pay selection. Maybe I just was looking at it wrong. So
This
that makes
one, the way
sense
you
now.
created that product just now, that'll auto charge her card every
Okay.
30 days automatically. So
Okay. That makes
there's
sense.
there's not really a setting specifically for auto pay. Yeah, I mean everything on the left is just kind of customizing, but this is what the page will look like when you send it to her, and she'll be able to click the link
Okay.
and plug in her card, name, email, phone number, all that, and then pay, and that'll charge her the 498.50 today, and then after the trial, 157 bucks a month going forward. At the
Okay.
very top,
Oh, sorry.
just name it. It says new link at the top. Just name that like the same as the package. Just call it basic website service or something. and then save it. And then now you can, whenever you're ready
Okay.
on that call later, the link at the top here, it says copy/send at the very top right. You can just copy the
Hmm.
link there, send it to her through the Zoom call, text it to her phone number, send it as an email, whatever.
All right. Perfect. Thank you.
If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.